Mr. Che, you didn't play anything.
What?
You broke the
What's
rules from the
going on?
get-go.
Babs,
Disqualified.
what is he doing?
It's just Squid Games, Bab. I know. She doesn't like Russian roulette.
She doesn't. Oh,
Now,
hi.
let's play again, Joe.
Look. Look.
Rock, paper, scissors. -1.
Oh, she's whining.
He's not nice.
There's no need to be so nervous. Like I said, your odds of survival are a whopping 5 to 6.
What? Look. Right there.
Let's play again, Joe.